career path should be chosen based on passion and interest in the field. There are plenty of career choices to choose from, like engineering, medical, commerce, or management. There is no one definition for a good career path. The suitability of a career depends on person to person. People tend to leave companies often because of improper career guidance at the beginning of their career. Safe career paths are those that provide good salary and job security. Choosing a risky career path like music or dance has become an increasing trend among the millennials. The millennial mentality is far different from the previous generation mentality in terms of career paths. Companies should address and provide good career guidance to their employees. Educational institutions should provide career counseling to students in accordance with their interest and aptitude.